Okay, and on the second part, now you see the LNs, okay, the natural logs. So what you first do is you need to condense this so you only have one natural log. And you make a parentheses and you put x, and then a minus means you're going to put divided by 2. If it's a plus, you put times 2 equals 4. Now, here's what we do to get rid of Mr. Ln. We put an e to the bottom left of each side of the equation, and we're going to put a exponent sign, okay? That cancels out, and I now have x divided by 2. Now, on the other side, I take my calculator, and I take e to the 4th power. Now, you're like, well, how do I do that? I'm going to hit the same button, but I got to hit second first, okay? E comes up to the power of 4. 54.60. You're going to get some pretty big answers here, and then it's just the same thing. So times 2 times 2. So 109.20. If you're off and you're rounding, don't worry too much about it. Okay, once again, Ln, okay? So 5 times x. Because now it's plus, so I put times, equals 4. That's the first step. I still have 4, okay? Now, to get rid of the Ln, you put an e, but not in front of it. You got to put it to the bottom right, because e is a base, okay? That cancels. I now have the expression 5x. Now, I raise e to the 4th power, so I go second Ln 4. 4 again. Okay, sorry about that. 54.60. Just roll with it. Okay. Hopefully I get one where it's not to the 4th. So divide by 5 then, and you end up with 10.92. Again, I know this is kind of far out there, and I'm going to be honest, you're probably not going to use it, but going forward, that's okay. Okay. Okay, next one. You need to condense the natural log. Okay, so x times 2. And to get rid of the ln, you put an e to the bottom right. Okay, now these cancel. X times 2 we're going to write as 2x. Okay, put the when you have multiplication like that, you're going to want to put 2 in front of it so it looks correct. On the other side, I got to find out what e to the power of 3 is. So I go second caret, or second, sorry, ln 3. So you're getting the same key, just second. So 20.09. Just round two, go 2 decimals out. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 20.09 divided by 2 is 10.05. Okay, then our last one. You know you got, by the way, switch that 3 to a 2. Let's do a different number. I'm just switching that for the heck of it. Okay. So I have ln, and I'm going to put x divided by 3. Now to get rid of Mr. ln, you take e, but the e is a base, okay? It's not like the other one. So those cancel, and we have the expression x divided by 3. That's equal to e to the second. Okay, e to the second is 7.39. I times both sides by 3. So 7.39 times 3 is going to be 22.17. Okay, let me know if you need anything with this. Kind of a short lesson, shorter lesson today. The problems aren't drawn out.